Hello guys and welcome back to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crochet channel, and today I'm going to show you how I knit red hood hat. Okay, it could be not only red, but it is one evening hat and the perfect project for absolute beginners. So for this hat I was using a 9mm knitting needles and super bulky yarn from Lion brand. Wool is thick and quick. That is number six. As I said, the hat is perfect for cold and windy weather, as it covers ears, has has ties and a beautiful yarn pom-pom. So if you want to try it, let's get started. For the hat circumference 53-54 centimeters, I cast on 40 stitches. You can also cast on 44 stitches if your hat circumference is bigger. So I start knitting from selvage stitch. Uh, I slip always the first stitch, and then the ribbon part knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 purl 1. So the selvage stitch, you slip always the first stitch and you purl always the last stitch, and like this you do in all rows until we knit in rows, because later on we are going to join knitting in round. So knit 1 purl 1 till the end of row, and the last stitch, as I said, purl stitch. Then you're going to repeat ribbon part where you knit all knit stitches and purl all purl stitches. Don't forget to slip the first stitch and purl the last stitch, and knit in this way for 12 rows in total. I've done 12 rows, and now we are going to join the knitting in round like this. If you need a marker, please place marker now, and let's start. Knit the first stitch and pull the yarn tight just to get rid of the hole, and knit all other stitches around. Knit, knit, knit. I will show you how to knit the first round, and then you can do all other rounds yourself. Knit all stitches. Knit, knit, and the last one. That's it. And now the second round and all other rounds, we're going to knit all stitches around. Like this, you go on knitting until you have 18 rounds after ribbon. Okay, I've done my 18 rounds and I'm ready for decreases. Place marker. So at the beginning, the number of stitches has to be divisible by 4. Whether it is 40 or 44 stitches, it's perfect. So slip the first stitch, knit the next stitch, and slip the first over. So slip, knit, pass over, knit 6. In case you have 44 stitches, knit 7 and knit 2 together and repeat. So you decrease 2 stitches out of 10. Slip, knit, pass over, then knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and knit 2 together. Repeat till the marker 2 more times. Round number 2, knit all stitches around without decreases. Knit, knit, knit. Till the end. Round number 3, again we are going to make decreases. Slip, knit, pass over, and now knit 4, and knit 2 together, and repeat 3 more times till the marker. Row number 4, knit all stitches around without decreases. Knit, 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 knit till the end. Round number 5, slip, knit, pass over, knit 2, and knit 2 together. Like this, repeat 3 more times till the marker. Round number 6, no decreases here, just knit in stockinette stitch. Till the marker. Round number 7, slip, knit, pass over, knit 2 together, and repeat. Slip, knit, pass over, knit 2 together. 3 more times. Okay, I've done decreases and the head is ready. So let's cut the yarn, leaving 10 centimeters tail. Here I will use a hook. You can also use a tapestry needle or yarn needle to thread the tail through remaining stitches. Through 3, 3, and 2 more. 8 stitches in total. Pull the yarn to close the top, and that's how it looks. Now pull the yarn to the wrong side, through the center, and let me show how I weave in ends. So I pull the tail underneath those 8 stitches. Again, you can use a tapestry needle here. It will be even faster than using a hook. Underneath. The hat is ready. So what we need? We need ties. Okay, I've done the first 6 tie strands of yarn. And I'm ready to show you how the length of each, the second one. In my case, so it was you need to cut 87 centimeters. You can make 90, or if you want longer ties, uh, it's not always you need to use them. It's just a decoration. So make them 1 meter. So now you need a hook and the last of the first stitch. So you pull all that 6 strands through the first stitch. I've lost 2, but it's okay. I need to use a little bit bigger hook. Okay, and now let's make a knot. In the way you pull all tails into the center and pull like this. That's how it looks. Beautiful knot. And now you're ready to braid tie. So divide into 3 parts, and each part has 4 strands. And let's start. I'm sure everyone can do it. Don't pull tight if you want it the tie look a little bit wider and fluffier till the end. So let's measure. It should be the same length as the first one. Okay. And now you need to cut pretty long strand and tie it at the end. One. Okay, it's same. And two. Now leave the tails and we are going to cut. Same length as the first one. Ta-da! Already a little bit here. One. Perfect. Look, two tassels. Okay, the hat is ready. For the hat, you can make a yarn pom-pom and attach it here, or can find a matching pom-pom for pom-pom. It's up to you, or yarn one, as I said. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this video, please subscribe and of course leave comments if you have questions. Bye!